Are you dreaming of making money online? Do you want to be your own boss and work from anywhere? Affiliate marketing might be the perfect opportunity for you. It's a great way to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom. So, let's dive in and learn how to get started. Affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson for online stores. You recommend products you love to your audience. When someone buys through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You don't need to create your own products or handle shipping. Imagine you love a brand of hiking boots. You join their affiliate program. Now, you can share your love for these boots with your followers. When someone clicks your link and buys the boots, you earn money. The best part? You can be an affiliate for multiple brands and products you genuinely enjoy. This way, you can diversify your income streams and maximize your earning potential. The first step to affiliate marketing success is choosing a niche. Your niche is your area of focus, like travel, cooking, or personal finance. Select something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This passion will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Think about your interests and hobbies. What do you enjoy talking about? What are you good at? What do people often ask for your advice on? These are all clues to help you find your niche. Remember, your niche should be specific enough to attract a targeted audience, but broad enough to allow for growth and diverse content creation. Now that you have a niche, it's time to build your online home, your website. Your website is where you will share valuable content, showcase your affiliate products, and connect with your audience. Don't worry, setting up a website is easier than you think. You can choose from various website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates to help you create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. Once your website is live, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Share your knowledge, offer helpful tips, and review products within your niche. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly publish new content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more.